Hello and welcome. It's Jilly Cube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. I'm doing a quick little pour, hopefully it's a quick pour, with some colours that I have left over from my weekend. I have put this canvas, this round canvas on this oblong canvas and just measuring that it's 50 mils out either side, slightly. Okay, it's just, I just want to use this as a marker because just thinking of a composition I want to be a little bit different than I've done before, just trying new things. I mean, it's all been done before, but just this particular composition it's just giving me a guide. So my intention is to keep my paint within that and then have negative space on the outside. So I've got this little canvas and I've put my tape on the back and my push pins there, called giant push pins, go from there. So this is the cool red. They are all the no, this is the warm red, They're all global impasto that I'm using, and the pouring medium and how I mix it is in the drop down box, even a link to the video of mixing the paint for these pours. So you can click on the video also if you want to know what I used and what I do to get this particular pouring medium. So I'm going to try going around the edge there first, and then I'll do some wiggly bits. I hope I'm finding you all well and good, and that you're not in any stress at all. I know there's so much going on around the world that I feel just so sorry for, so many people that are suffering, but we've just got to really stay positive, haven't we, and hope that the craziness ends soon with all things and another. So this is the orange in the global, and I have got also a fluoro orange, so I'm really going to put some citrus in this particular one. So go around my very edge. So yeah, I don't think I've done this particular composition like this on a canvas, so I'm just testing this out because if it works I want to do it on a real big one. So, if I like how it sort of turns out. I'm going to try and learn my lesson from what I did the other day. Is I piled too much paint on, then I ended up losing the composition that I wanted. Actually, I might go this is the ultraviolet, so this is a beautiful colour too. Yeah, let's just do this. Usually when I've got it so full I don't like tipping it because it then goes all over the place too much. So I'm really loving these citrus colours with the purple and crimson tones of late. It's really nice. Okie doke. I'm going to put a bit of silver in here. So I'm keeping this a little bit thicker because it's silver metallic, and your metallics seem to sink if you don't keep them on the thick side. Around the edge first. I'm trying not to put too much paint on because I don't want to tilt this one anywhere, otherwise I'm going to lose that shape. I might put now, this is my Berry Delicious, this is my custom colour. It is either a very dark red or magenta. You add a blob of phthalo blue, and if you want it to go even darker, a blob of black. So this looks very black on the canvas, but it will come out like quite berry looking, berry-licious, berry-licious. Ooh, okie doke. Right, last colour, believe it or not, is my white. So I'm going to just put a little bit of white in here. Okay, that's enough. And then I'm going to do my white around the outside. So looks as though my white might be a bit thick, but I will spread it out, see how we go. It needs a bit more. I could add a little bit of water to this white now, and I think I will. I'll just add, where's my water? Yeah. Just water. A little bit of water, to just a small amount at a time. Yeah, then it won't go lumpy. Yeah, that seems okay. Let's see what we got with this one. Smack my hand, smack my hand. I have just got no stop mechanism in me. Righty-o, what do I want to get? Oh, what did I do? I know what I've done. I've gone and put my, oh no, that's my Floetrol. I'll put that in with the paint. I was thinking that this is Amsterdam titanium white and Floetrol only. And I've got it made up, pre-made up in there. So I'm going to just put a bit of this around my very edges, just that it just seems to create a little bit extra lacing. Now there's no silicone in these particular pores, so I'm kind of relying on this to give me a bit of lacing. Oh, look at that. Oh, itching nose. Softening it up. Oh, some of this lacing is just beautiful. Oh, itchy nose. So what I really need to tell you this, that if you're not a proficient ballooner, walk away and leave it for maybe an hour, depending on the climate condition. Very warm day here in Queensland. I have got the air conditioner on, and it may work or it may not, in that giving you really nice balloon kissing. So this is where my balloon magic comes in. Balloons of all sizes create some lovely, lovely effects. And I'll move things out the way so I don't go and knock things over. And let's see how this balloon kissing works today. I've still got some gaps in here, but I've got so much paint that I'll use my balloon to spread the paint. Look at that. Oh, I should definitely probably do some acrylic skins with the balloon dips. Oh, look at that. But I'm not going to today. So if you get this happening, you're pushing the balloon in quite firmly and it all falls in, and that's when you walk away, or you keep wiping your balloon off and then push it back in the same area. Then you'll get this gorgeous, gorgeous balloon kiss. That's a nice big, oh, look at this. So push it back in. So the balloon is spreading the paint to those areas that I haven't got any paint in. So that is absolutely gorgeous. Really, really happy. And the other nice little trick that I like to use with your balloon kissing is you start with your big balloon like this, and then, you know, do as much as you would like to do with your larger balloon, and then you can come back in with the smaller balloon in the center of these balloon kisses. So you really could be using these balloon to push onto another canvas. Absolutely. It's just that I'm not doing that today. When I'm filming, I kind of find I need to concentrate on what I'm doing. When I'm sort of in here doing some artwork on my own, then I definitely would spend the extra time pushing that onto another canvas. So okie doke, it's coming absolutely beautiful, and I love the composition that I've got, the negative space around the outside. Just look at that. So I'm going to use a smaller balloon and just go inside those balloon kisses, inside, so it gives another little dimension to your balloon kisses, your flowers. So they're just gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. I love this. Oh my gosh. So doing the different size balloons, yeah, it just creates just something so special and gorgeous. You would not think, you know, some of finished pieces are, you know, a really balloon art, which was definitely around in kindergarten for my kids and myself. So, oh, that is beautiful. Wouldn't that look just stunning on a great big canvas with a negative space? So I'm going to try some of these different compositions this week. I absolutely love that. I hope you like that too. Let me know what you think, guys. I've got my new little, this is just what I do with this little water balloon. It's a normal size balloon. I put it over the tap and fill it with a little bit of water. Just adds that bit of weight to push it in and give some little tiny other little, you know, just gives a whole different effect again. So I want to have some, not have to cells so much in the areas that I've left. But that is gorgeous. I am really, really, really happy with that. Why wouldn't you, hey? Look, I'll bring my camera down and show you. This is just stunning. Now, I was thinking when I started that I'd do some little embellishments out with my skewer, but I think I've got enough going on. I think that this is a small canvas, so it doesn't really need any more busyness. It's busy as it is, but just these little ones, oh, just gorgeous. I love them, absolutely love them. And if you follow my YouTube channel, you will know how much I love them. You can create some absolutely stunning effects, and that is beautiful. Beautiful, love it. You can even use your little balloon to balloon kiss the side of your canvas. I still want to leave the white, so that is gorgeous. I'll bring my camera down. Okay, here we are. Look at this. Look at this absolutely gorgeous lacing. Hoping that white will just dry flat, but if it doesn't, it's no biggie to have a little bit of textured look in it. Look at these. Go all the way around for you. Absolutely beautiful. I'm really, really happy with it. Oh, take it up, take it up. There you go. Hope that you like it too, and I will see you again tomorrow with another pour. So please join me, and if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and the little bell for notifications, and then you will get notified each time I have a new pour, which is every day, guys, every day. So there you go. That's stunning. I absolutely love it, and I hope you do too. So take care and bye for now.